Hello guys, welcome to a new video from the channel. This time we'll check how to link your partner on Flo App. So let's start. Well, I'm here on the Flo App as you can see. Now let's go to down and you can find options inside secret chats, message and partner. Just go to partner and you will find here the link to your partner. Just click there and then it give you a code. Just send pairing code and just click there and you can share on different platforms. As you can see, you can share on Facebook, Instagram, X, WhatsApp and so on. So just send it, and if you want to, just you can cancel the invite here. You can cancel the invite, or also you can resend the code in case that you haven't received it. As you can see, it is very easy to do it, so I hope it works for you. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe and give like to this video.